So I did the 7-day jump rope challenge. Every piece of my body hurts. Danced because I'm a baddie, okay? Watch some beautiful
That's so pretty.
sunsets.
Oh my god, they put up the last episode of Insecure. Have to watch it.
Made some fireworks and watched some fireworks.
Happy New Year!
And did I mention I struggled to finish this challenge?
God help me. I'm not ready for today. I'm just not ready, and it's only day 2. All right, good morning. Yes, so we are done procrastinating. We're done making excuses. So yes, I'm gonna attempt to do 1,000 jumping ropes for 1 week. So I'm gonna be jumping the rope 1,000 times every day for 7 days. So let's do this. I'm gonna try to do 10 sets of 10 reps. That makes it 100 until I reach 1,000. So I have been mentally preparing for this for the whole morning. So I got my water and I got my rope. Those are the only 2 things you need, and of course space. I was thinking, why wait for 1st January to make a New Year resolution? Why not start it now and take it into 2022? We tend to make New Year resolutions and we do not follow through. Let's see how this goes. Day 1. All right, I'm trying to get a good angle for this camera. Let's see. Maybe this, that way. Okay, I think I found the perfect angle. Thank God we don't have neighbors. That's the new Bomba home. They're still working on it, so no neighbors for now. Anyways, let's go.
So yes, this was just the beginning. No one tells you that the first 100 jumps of the challenge really get you, especially when you've been a couch potato for the last few weeks. But this girl was determined, so I guess we had to see it through. Not to mention, this rope kept slapping my body like I didn't sign up for this. Like,
Okay, this angle wasn't that good. It's hard to twist the rope in the gravel. So I'm done with 50 jumps. So I'm going to do another 50 to make it 100. So let's go.
at this point, I was rethinking, did I really have to do this? Like, what's the point? You know the inner voices? They be messing with your progress.
All right, that's 100 jump ropes, remaining with 900. Whew. That's a workout. All right, 900 more to go. Let's do this.
I was already hyped up to do this challenge, honestly, because I did try it the first time and I didn't follow through. So the fact that I was outside right now at this moment, yeah, it was a big deal. So the jumps were getting to me, but I think it was worth it. I loved the process.
Yeah, your girlfriend says she want it. Yeah, come up put more with the heat. There, and this are not Chinese keep. Yeah, this are the real. Yeah, feel. Yeah, anytime them want it. Yeah, this are the real. Yeah, feel. Yeah, make your girlfriend rock to the beat. And every gangster
We are 900 jumps down, so we're gonna do the last 100 and we're gonna call it a wrap for day 1 of 7 days. So let's do the last 100.
Yeah, well, I saw EV. This are the real. Yeah,
So of course I didn't record every single jump, but I recorded most of it, like the first 100. That's a milestone. And I recorded halfway, maybe around 500, and then the last 100.
Can I be your best friend? You're your best friend. I can be the best thing. You're the best thing. You can be the best thing. You're the best thing. Can I be the best thing? You're the best thing. I can be your best friend. You're your best friend. Can I be your best friend? Yeah. Can I be your best friend? Yeah. Can I be your best friend? Yeah. Best friend, best day. Can I be your best friend? Yeah. Can I be your best friend? Yeah. Best day, best friend. Yeah.
All right, that was the last 100. So yay, we did 1,000 jump ropes. So day 1 is complete. We made it. See you guys on day number 2. As you can see, I started at around 8 o'clock. So it took me roughly 2 hours to complete 1,000 jump ropes. All right, actually I just took this after jumping. So I don't think it's gonna make any difference to the body. So this is day 1. This is how I look right now.
I get my hopes up every time.
Hey guys, day 2. All right, I'm just gonna be straight up honest. I did not want to do jump rope today, like honestly, because my whole body hurts. My shoulder blades hurt, my calves hurt, every piece of my body hurts. I really underestimated jumping rope. And one thing I realized one way to do it yesterday, the easier way is to do 2 sets of 50 to make it 100, then rest. I watched some videos yesterday and I'm gonna incorporate different kinds of jumping. So yesterday I was doing only the basic bounce, like on my toes. So I'm gonna incorporate the high knees to see how that works, and also the butt lift. You guys will be seeing it in a minute. Let's do this, right? All right, let's get a good angle. We should do it. So I'm not gonna record like everything, but I'll record the main achievements, like the first 100, the 500, and then the 1,000. So God help me, because I'm not ready for today. I'm just not ready, and it's only day 2. I don't know how I'm gonna feel on day 7, but let's not overthink it. Let's just do it.
I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel.
That's the first 50. Let's do another 50 to make it to first 100 jumps. Goodness.
Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. Why am I always getting so attached when I know that we're gonna crash? Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had.
All right, that's the first 100. 900 more to go. Let's do this.
And of course, my playlist was giving, so I just enjoyed using this porch finally.
You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge. Yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right. Yeah. I'm looking back at the past.
At this time, I was just taking breaks and adjusting the camera for more views. And I realized I wasn't saying a lot while working out. I guess I figured the workout was speaking already for itself. But yeah, but the second day my muscles were paining me, and I thought it's better not to think about it and just jump and get it over with. You know what I mean? And if I could count the number of times I tried to detangle this rope. Oof.
Lose my trust every time. When my heart was getting so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash.
I don't know which song this was, but I tell you, I was dropping knees like Megan, throwing gang signs like I didn't know how to act. It has to be one of those Drake songs. Okay, back to the workout. At this point, I was trying to get as much point of views as possible, and I was trying to have as much fun as I could because it makes it more bearable, and that makes us get to our goal easily.
Yeah, I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want you so much. I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up.
And if all 2021 had to give you was these cakes, baby, it's illegal not to show them off at this point. And also work without play makes Shami Medal, girl. So yes, but by this time it was easier for me to jump without getting out of breath, so it was good for me.
All right, we're done with 1,000 jumps for today, day 2. It was a success. It was so fun. We had a little dance breaks, and I almost did not finish it. Oh my god, they put up the last episode of Insecure. Have to watch it. Today was pretty good, actually. I love the fact that I was procrastinating, but I decided to push through anyway. Like, I did not feel like jumping today, but I was like, you know what, fuck me, I just went for it. And I feel so good because I just realized sometimes you don't have to wait for motivation, to do something. You have to just do it anyway, because at the end you're gonna be so happy and proud of yourself that you actually did it, even though you didn't feel like it. Look at me now, I'm a motivational speaker. 5,000 jumps left, 5 days left, so I'll see you guys on day 3. Alright guys, day 3. Yeah, so we got our usual. I already have my rope, I have my water. I know today I started kind of late because the last 2 days I did it earlier, but I think right now it's around let's see, right now it's 12 o'clock. We're just gonna go ahead and jump rope. I just have to find a good location for this camera, so let's get to it. All right, I just put it on Julian's car because today we bought. So, oh my god, I hope this camera doesn't fall with the wind. God damn, that helped me. Alright, that's 50. Alright, let's get another location. That's 100. I heard I'm gonna go. No excuses. Let's do this. I just completed 1,000 jumps. Look at all this sweat. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did it. Yesterday and today I just didn't feel like doing it, but for some reason I was like, fuck it, you know what, it's just a challenge. Let's see, let's just do it. And here we are, like day 3 done, so 4 days remaining. Goodness, I can't I don't know if I can make it to day 7. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm excited, and I guess that's it. And I just received my package. This is my hair. So I was planning to do it today, this week, but I don't want to do an install and then I'm sweating. Like, I want to do an install after all this challenge, so I don't have to do a lot of sweating. Like, if you know, you know. And another thing, my muscles are killing me. Today I woke up, I could not even walk. Like, in the middle of the night, I woke up to go to the bathroom. I could barely get out of the bed. I'm not even kidding. Like, my ab muscles, my quads, my back, my shoulder blades, oh my goodness, they were on fire. So I'm actually planning to go to Planet Fitness, and they have a hydro massage bed. Anyone who goes to Planet Fitness knows that bed. Like, you lie on it and then it does massage all your muscles in the back. So see you tomorrow. And these bad boys have helped me out. My Monster and water, yeah, I definitely need those for hydration. And of course my speaker, you know, you gotta keep yourself motivated somehow. But pretty much that's it. Hey guys, yes, we're this close to skipping day 4, but well, it's still happening. So I did not do my workouts today earlier because I had a video to edit. I think you guys are gonna be seeing it. It's gonna be up by now by the time I upload this video. And we just did laundry. You know, you gotta get those clothes cleaned. Anyways, let's talk and more action. So I already have my essentials, my rope, my Boss headsets, you know, for the little motivation. And today I want to try out a new drink Julian just got me. It's a Gatorade, that one. So let's see how it works. So right now it's, I think it's like 3 o'clock-ish and the sun is still out. 4 o'clock, yeah, so it's 4 o'clock, the sun is still out. And yeah, let's get to it. Just trying to jump with my hat on and my Boss headsets on, but it's not gonna work, so I guess we're gonna lose the hat. Ooh, look at the hair. Ignore it. Alright, that works. Let's do this.
From the north side, pavement, and of course I I can't go on. We could stay.
I wanna know what
He needs some milk.
that and more. I like to know.
But we might regret not getting outside yet. It's such beautiful weather. Out on my own, that would be a shame. Be a lot better if you came.
Have you ever needed something but you can sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find the words but they don't come out right? Have you ever? Have you ever? Ah, guys, take a look at this sunset. That's so beautiful. Look at that. It looks so nice. Look at the sunset. It's going down. That's so pretty.
You know I can't go all alone.
That's 700 remaining with 300 more to go, and it's getting darker, so almost there. As you can see, guys, it just got darker. That means this is real. Dedication. Anyway, let's do the last 100.
This is the first challenge I've been dedicated to this bad. Like, I can't believe I'm exercising at nighttime or at dawn. Like, pinch me now. But by this time, I had already got form, so I was loving this challenge already. Like, can't you see? She's unstoppable. Burr.
All right, that's 1,000 jumps completed. Right now it's 5:30. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, daylight saving time, it looks like it's 9 o'clock, so it's still 5 o'clock, 5:30. But yeah, I'm done with the 1,000 jumps for day 4. That was a good one, sweetie one. I feel like as time goes by, you build endurance, because like I could do 15 in a row without getting out of breath. So I feel like by the last day or the 7th day, I'm gonna be so good. I'll be able to do 100 in one jump. Let me not jinx it. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself that I got this far. So 3 more days to go, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Yes, so why is it too bright? Okay, let me just stay standing. So hey guys, good morning. So this is day 5. Technically it's supposed to be day 6 because I had 2 shifts, so I worked from 4 in the morning till 6 p.m. So there was no way I was gonna jump after working 10 plus hours and on my feet. I'm gonna do 1,000 jumps for today and 1,000 jumps that was supposed to be for yesterday. So how I'm gonna do it, I don't know. God help me. And even just thinking about it, I'm already exhausted. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna do the jumping today inside the house. So we have this space right here. Look what we did. We just put the sofa there, and we used the sofa space to put this bean bag. Julian bought this one on Christmas, so I don't know, we feel more comfortable sitting here. It's more comfy and fun. And those are gonna be our fireworks. So today is the 31st, and this is how we're entering the new year. Fireworks ready. So they said, I watched a couple of YouTube videos for people who actually did the jumping, and they said if you lack motivation, try to jump while watching your favorite show. So this is what we're gonna try to do today, because I have zero motivation. There's a show I just started on Netflix, so I'm gonna try to watch it. A girl from Oslo. So I'm gonna be watching this while jumping, so let's see how it works. Everyone was jumping saying you have to have on shoes. It doesn't matter if you're in the house. I don't wanna risk getting hurt, and that's what we're gonna do right now.
Inside like energy. You get the best of me. You get the best of me. Everything.
Right now we're at 850, so still gotta finish this challenge, right?
Confused from the size, got me out of my mind.
Alright, I just completed the 1,000 jumps, so I'm gonna do another 1,000 to make it 2,000. And I used this, I don't know if you can see. So this is every round 50 jumps, that makes 1,000. So I'm just gonna use this again to complete the other 1,000. So without wasting any more time, let's do this. Wow, I can't believe we're almost done.
Then you found me just in time. Confused from the size, got me out of my mind. Suddenly I'm dancing through the street. Lately I've been lighter on my feet.
Whew. Alright guys, I just completed the 2,000 rope jumps, and yeah, watching TV while jumping actually helps, keeps you motivated. So how I did it, I had this paper, and if you can see, like, I double crossed it. That means I did it 2 times. Whew, I didn't think I would do it, and I almost gave up halfway, but yeah, we did it. So anyway, today is 31st. Happy New Year. I'm gonna shower, and later on we'll do some fireworks. Hopefully I vlog, but yeah, I guess I'll see you guys for the last day, because this was day 5 and 6, so only 1 day left for the challenge, and I'm glad we made it this far. So I'll see you on day 7. Happy New Year, guys. Hey guys, yes, we made it. Right now it's 11:44, and if you can see it, so it's 20 minutes to New Year's here. Anyways, we are gonna blow up our fireworks. So Julian is up right now, and as I promised, I'm vlogging. And of course, because we're bougie, we are gonna be drinking wine here.
Buy one, get one free bottle, huh? Of course.
Hey, it's the last day of 2021, right? And it only happens once in 365 days. There's
Start
Julia.
with the tiny ones. It's just a test, it's not midnight yet.
And he is struggling to light up the incense.
It's windy. Come sit down here if you want.
Whoa. That's so beautiful. It looks so nice.
You see the wind?
Wow. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Whoa. Ah. Oh, wow.
Alright. See, but I still want you to wear this.
Okay, so what do I do?
Keep it arm's distance from you, just extend your arm and let it pop out like that.
Okay, alright.
And leave a tiny bit of space here, just in case.
Gotcha. Alright, let's do this. Whoa! 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh my god, technical difficulties, but yeah, we got it.
Wet.
Happy New Year! Oh my god, listen to the fireworks!
Alright, let's try the bigger one.
Wow, we missed it.
I can't believe it.
Whoa! Happy New Year! does it feel?
Technical difficulty, but
I know, right?
yeah.
Well, we're back inside. That was a blast. We had fun. We had a good time. So,
I'm glad 2021 is out of the way.
oh wow, was it that bad?
Yeah, in some ways. But it was good in others.
Yeah.
Being with you.
Then be with me.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna go back to bed because I have to go to work at 4 a.m. So right now it's midnight and in an hour, and so I have to be at work. So yeah, wish me luck, right? Hi guys, yes, hello. Yes, so today is day 7. It was supposed to be 2 days ago, I think, because the last day was on Friday, New Year's Day. So I skipped Saturday and Sunday, and today's Monday. But regardless, we're still gonna do the 7 days. So I'm gonna do the last 1,000 jumps today, and I've been procrastinating since morning. But I was like, I have to finish this challenge, so let's just do it. All right, let's do the last 100. I'm not excited about this, but look at it.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going.
All right, that's 400. I feel like as time goes by, like with the challenge, like you build endurance. Like right now I'm not out of breath. I've done 400 jumps so far and I'm not out of breath, so I feel like with time your body builds endurance. And obviously I feel like this is good for me because yeah, at least I don't really have to go to the gym. I can just jump a rope for like 30 minutes and that's it. I'm really impressed. Like 400 and I'm still standing. That's really impressed. Anyways, let's finish the last 600 jumps of this challenge.
So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. No time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you lullaby me? So baby, can you love me?
All right, almost done by this freaking rope.
So love my body, lullaby me, you love my body. Ooh, so baby, can you love? Yeah, I really want that lullaby.
Yes, I have just finished the last 1,000 jumps. Woo! I can't believe I did that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And yes guys, I'm done. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself right now. I'm done with the challenge. 1,000 jump ropes for 7 days. That is crazy. Woo! If I can do this, you can do this too. And yeah, I'm excited to try another challenge, because I mean, now I feel more motivated to do these challenges, because you only know you can do it after you're done doing it. This is a sign, like, no procrastinating, like just do it. Because I feel like most days I didn't feel like doing it, but I was like, fuck it, and I just went ahead and did it, and I was so proud of myself at the end of the every time I just pushed myself. So this is gonna be what I'm gonna be doing. Like, if I need to do something, I just have to do it even though I don't feel like it, because it's so rewarding at the other end. Seriously, that was a good cardio. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more of this, so subscribe right down, and leave a comment. Let me know what your best spot was, or if you do this challenge, if you decide to do it, and I've motivated you to do it, tag me in the video. I can't wait for you guys to do it too, because trust me, it's worth it at the end. So see you in my next video. Peace out.